Hi, my name is Luen Yang. I'm a comic book writer. I write Superman comics, among other things. Let's work on our Fortress of Solitude journals some more. Now, I imagine when Superman goes up to his own Fortress of Solitude, he spends a lot of time thinking about what he misses. He lives in a city called Metropolis now, but he grew up in a town called Smallville. The parents who raised him, that's where they live. I'm sure he misses his parents and he also misses all of his friends in Smallville. In addition, Superman is not just an American, he is also a Kryptonian. He was born on a planet called Krypton, which eventually exploded. His birth parents are there, and even though he's never actually been back since he was born, I'm sure he misses his birth parents and all of Krypton as well. So that's what I'd like you all to do today. We are going to write in our Fortress of Solitude journal about what we miss. So here is our writing prompt. What do you miss the most right now, and why? I'm going to spend some time writing about this in my own writing journal, and then I'll come back and share with you what I wrote. Let me share with you what I wrote. First, I decided instead of writing a paragraph to begin with, I would write a list. So I wrote a list titled The Things I Miss. And here's what I wrote in that list. Number 1, seeing my friends in person. Next, going to my local comic shop. I also miss going to the gym, going to the library, visiting my mom and dad, going to the sushi restaurant, and going to the park with my kids. Out of all of these things, I miss seeing my parents the most, and that's why I put a star there. Because this was the one that I missed the most, I decided to write some more about that particular item, and here's what I wrote. I haven't seen my mom and dad for a while. I've spoken to them over the computer, so I know they're okay. Even so, I miss having a meal with them. Right now, things are not normal, and we are going through a situation that makes it so that there are lots of things that we miss. And sometimes thinking through these things will help us to appreciate them even more. I'd like you to give that a try, and I'll see you next time.